Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change the font size and your font in Microsoft Word 2016 edition. As you can see, I already have my document open and we have a text here that we're going to change together. The basic text that Word is using is Times New Roman, and to change this we can see in the Home tab we have this font window, and we have here the font options, the font size changing option. We can go down, we can increase or decrease the font size here. We can change the case, we can clean all the formatting with this button. We can make our font bolder, italic, or just underline it. We can cross over the text. We can subscript, superscript. We can change the text. We can put text effects, highlight our text, or just change the color of our text. These are all the options here. Now let's jump into editing. Let's say I don't like this title. What can I say? This is not a great font. I'm going to highlight it, and here in the font window I'm going to click on the fonts, and as you can see we have a lot of options here. Let's choose one. Let's say this one. This is very elegant and fits the title. I'm going to leave it bold. I'm going to make it a little bit more fancy with the italic options. And now what I want to do is use the effects here and use this gold effect here. We have more, and if you are not satisfied with what you have here, you can customize even this text here, like putting some other kinds of shadows, or changing the color, putting some reflections even, maybe make it glow, or just choose one from here, like this gold one that I just mentioned. And I'm going to make it a little bit bigger. If you don't see the size that you want here, you can text it manually, like this one. Let's say I want now to change all the text in one font. I can do that with highlighting it like this. And now we are going to go back to the fonts, and we are going to choose another font, this one maybe, and make it a little bit bolder and maybe a little bit even bigger, like this. And now let's say I have some words that I want be more brighter or easier to spot, like this word here. I'm going to highlight it and make it red, or let's say this one here. I'm going to highlight it again, and we can choose here even more colors with the color wheel, like this one. Or maybe I want a section to pop out because it's very important. We can highlight it even like this, or we can also choose another color if you want, like this. If you want to highlight it more efficiently, you can choose a color here and make this, use it like a highlighter. Let's say I want to cut this part. I just press on the strike through button, and as you can see the text is modified, and if you are satisfied you just save it and you are done. If you want to clear all the text and go back to the default text that you had, you just highlight it and click here. And of course we have the colors here that we are left. You can just choose black, and with the highlight we just going to choose no color and just do this. And as you can see the text is back in the original form, only the title is a little bit smaller. But you can always do this and it looks like in the beginning. I hope this tutorial helps, and I hope you have a wonderful day.